Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rebelsatoshi token. Now this is a brand new token that's in the midst of their pre-sale right now. Ticker symbol is Rblz. This is an ERC20 token with a fixed supply of 250 million tokens. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Rebelsatoshi token. So like I said, it is an ERC20 token with a fixed supply, 250 million tokens. 50% of those tokens go to the public, 20% liquidity pools, 15% staking rewards, 10% marketing, 5% treasury. They also have NFTs. The stunning marketplace features 9,999 unique collectibles. And they are different characters like warriors, rebels, citizens, monarchs. And you can check this out on their webpage. So they have a webpage that has all of the pre-sale information on there. So if you head over to rebelsatoshi.com, right in the top right-hand corner, it has how to buy. You can buy now, click on that. You can click on login, all sorts of different buttons there. Right on their webpage, if you scroll down, it says follow us on Discord, Telegram, Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find that at rebel_Satoshi. They have Medium articles. So they show you how much they've sold on their page so far. They show you one Rblz token equals 0.013 USDT right now. And so they're in round one. So this is a very brand new project here, bringing you these brand new pre-sales. They're in round one of the pre-sale. It says 34 days, 7 hours, 15 minutes until the next phase. So you got a lot of time to check this out before the next phase starts. 50% sold, and then the price will increase. Next stage price, it'll go to 0.018 USDT. So basically, it'll increase every stage until it goes live. And yeah, you can buy. It shows how to buy. You can buy the token with all sorts of different coins like Litecoin, Bitcoin, BUSD, USDC, BNB, USDT. You can buy it with Visa or MasterCard. You can put in your email to get started. So this has been seen in different news articles, MarketWatch, Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, Benzinga. So, and it looks like it is a fox character, and there's all sorts of different characters as well. There's like a raccoon, an owl, a panda, a red panda, Rebelsatoshi. So these are probably the NFTs are going to look like this as well, all these different animals that are dressed up like old-timey characters. It says, I'm Rebelsatoshi, and yes, I'm a cunning fox with a band of disruptors known as the Recusants, building a community-driven meme token that seeks to embrace and challenge the norms, fostering unity and defiance. We've taken down hedge funds and centralized control mechanisms, and we are now on a community-driven quest for decentralization with a mission to $100 million market cap. Rblz is not just a token, it's a movement aiming to revolutionize the landscape and usher in a new edge of decentralization. Now, they have a full white paper that you can check out on their webpage. You can also change the language on here. Yeah, there's 18 decimal places on this token. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. So later on, when this token finally goes live, it says the listing price will be 0.025 USDT. So right now, the price is 0.013. So it's basically almost half price that you would get it in stage 1, that you would get it when it goes live. So yeah, that's interesting there. And then it says when it does go live, Ethereum tokens generally go to Uniswap. It says no buy or sell tax, so you won't really have to worry about slippage. Now they do have an audit on their page that you can check out. It says view audit, view contract. You can go over to GoPlus Labs, and then you could also go to view audit, and then there's an audit by Solidity Finance, which is now called Source Hat. I guess Solidity Finance changed their name to Source Hat. You can check out that audit. But yeah, so you can unlock fame and exclusive rewards. So early supporters are inducted into the Rebellion Secret Council, the RSC, granting them access to meetings, insider project updates, and plotting the course of the revolt. Get ready for a chance to shine in the Rebel Meme Hall of Fame. Early supporters can submit their funniest recusant memes, and the community will vote on the best ones. The top memes will be showcased in our community gallery, earning laughs and recognition from fellow rebels. They have the Rebel Artifact Vault, which is the 9,999 unique NFTs. You can collect them, and they all have different unique traits. And then we have the Staking Hub. So the key to the $100 million market cap supply is staking, rewarding, supporting the community members, bolstering the Rebelsatoshi ecosystem, while also accruing additional value. Engaging in staking means locking up tokens for a determined period. So they have a roadmap on here as well, starting with phase 1, launch the website, audit, verify smart contract, launch exclusive private sale. Phase 2 is going to be launch official public pre-sale November 5th. So that's when the pre-sale started. So it's only been going for 20 days. So still in stage 1, you still have like 30-something days before it goes to stage 2. Major marketing and influencer partnership campaigns, build engaged community, launch community reward hubs, set out public pre-sale, and release first NFT collection. Phase 3 is going to be burning events, so they burn the tokens, make them more scarce, and potentially increase value. DEX listings, staking launch, release second NFT collection. Phase 4, develop play-to-earn game, and race to 100 million market cap. So we already went over tokenomics, and yeah, so you can subscribe to a newsletter at the bottom of their page. A little bit of team info on here, frequently asked questions, and tons of socials and contact emails at the bottom of the page. Check it out, rebelsatoshi.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.